Alright guys, this is Dwipen. Let's do some analysis and let me show you my position. So I have position somewhere RT India, Asian Paint and Bajaj Finance and IX. So just a minute. Let me pull this one. Okay, IX. So I have position and another this one Nifty. So Nifty I use to protect my future. So this one I'm hedging, I'm combining future and option. Very interesting trading strategy basically this one. So I'm buying future and again I'm buying a put. All right, I already hedging my position, and if price goes down and I bought another Nifty put, if price goes down, so my Nifty position will protect me. So if you not see somewhere my position like that, let me show you Obstra. So how it work exactly. So this one Obstra, just a minute, and I go to portfolio. So I add one or two portfolio, something like that. Okay, now I can see here two position RT Indian IX. So it's giving profit. Let me analyze. All right, so it will look like that. Okay, if RT India goes down, so my loss will be there. All right, to protect my loss I use this Nifty put option. All right, so at least 50% it will protect. So it's just showing my maximum loss there somewhere here. So if price drop, so 8 to 10,000. all right, if price goes down, my loss will be 10,000, but Nifty put option will protect us. It will minimize to 5,000. And if IX goes up, now here I can see goes up, specific level is an undefined profit. So one is future and another is option. So let me show you IEX. Sorry, IEX. Okay, this one IEX and daily time frame. So we got a confirmation that market may go up from this area. All right, let me see this one IEX. RT India. Let me show you first RT India. RT Industry. And if it goes up, suppose price here somewhere there's 800, there are a resistance, and we expecting that as the upper boundary it may go to this level till expiry. When it's going to expire 24th November, so we have time, at least 22 days. So I'm expecting if price goes to within 22 days around 800. Let me show you my profit. Here you can see 52,000 my profit will be there, and downside maximum loss is showing 18,000, and we protect by using Nifty. It will minimize to almost 50%. If RT India industry goes near previous higher point within 22 days 900. So where is the 900? Here I can see it will be 1,40,000 near about. So we never know, it may go. All right, so if you want to see previous market behavior from this area, it goes from 700 to 900. It's a probability to goes up to this level. All right, if we are lucky, if price goes to this level. Okay, and another position that is IEX. So IEX, now I can see IEX we bought somewhere there, and we're expecting that it may go up to this level. All right, so it goes down, so what will be my losses? Let me show you. My loss will be here. It's just showing 2,800 loss. It doesn't matter. Okay, suppose it's just showing maximum 24,000 loss. If price drop, two criteria. Let me show you IEX. Okay, let me zoom a little bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, So my SL will be somewhere here. So this candle, so 137 or 136, let's say here my SL will be there. So basically we follow this SL, but we tail our SL. So if price break this goes to 137, price goes 137, so here you can see 13,000 will be lost, but we are not allowing to lose 13,000. We will protect by using Nifty. So very interesting trading strategy. All right, so I have position in IEX and now see IEX, Bajaj Finance, Asian Paint and Art Industry. So let me show you one by one. So IEX, okay, this one IEX, so we expecting that price will go up, and another Art India, industry is just giving profit, and the next Bajaj Finance, we bought somewhere there, so we're expecting that it will go up. So if it goes down, so we'll protect our position by using Nifty. Okay, and another position lowers left in my another account, so we bought somewhere here. Okay, another Asian Paint. Okay, Asian Paint, perfect. Asian Paint is a little correction from here, we bought somewhere there. All right, so we are expecting that it will bounce from this area. Okay, so suppose among these 4 stocks, let's say among these 4 stocks, suppose it goes up, it goes up, and it goes down, it goes down. All right, so what is my maximum loss? I lost my loss will be here, I think near about 20,000. Sorry, 20,000. Okay, and this one if goes up will get at least, let's say 50,000 and 50,000, 50k. So I'll get net 80,000 profit from these stocks. All right, if price goes entire stock, my Nifty position are there, at least it will protect 50% my losses. All right, very interesting, right? So let me do some analysis in Nifty. Let's see, Nifty 50. So definitely if you wanna know that strategy, you just WhatsApp me. I already given my WhatsApp number description. You just go to here. So Nifty exactly near just little bit above this previous higher point. So here I can see this one previous higher point, and price broke this area, and price still above this area. And if you now see weekly time frame, just a minute, yeah, weekly time frame, and a clear uptrend bouncing from this area. Let me show you moving average. Let me use market trend. Okay, so here you can see clear uptrend, and creating here price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, and here multiple rejection, and finally broke this area. So this week if price sustain above this area, so we're expecting that price will retest all-time high. All right, this all-time high. Okay, this all-time high. And if you are intraday trader, so today is Tuesday. Let me show you in a 15-minute time frame, and a Tuesday, so we are expecting till Thursday price will be a little bit volatile. So we never know, they are going to take very big decision. Let me show you, federal government and a big news also are there. Okay, what is the forex calendar? Just a minute. Okay, so here I can see very interesting news I had. US ISM manufacturing prices and the job opening result also going to release, and another tomorrow very interesting news are going to release. So market will be very volatile. ADP non-farm employment change, FOMC statement, federal fund rate. So we expecting that it will increase little bit, but I'm not expecting that it will affect too much. But another, in European country, inflation is extremely high, so they are going to take very big decision. Even monetary policy also are at Great Britain. And another news here, you can see PMI services, and another news going to release US here, hourly earning sorry, monthly basis, non-farm unemployment rate also going to release. So market definitely will be volatile. All right, so that is why we protect our future position, which is already hedged by using option. And if price drops, so definitely will protect at least 50%. All right, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to know details how exactly we are placing and how exactly we are guiding in a live market, just watch at me. So thanks for giving your valuable time.